Tigray President General Verde is holding a high-stakes meeting with the Ethiopian Prime Minister. Welcome to my views and news. Thanks for watching the channel. Two news stories. Firstly, a high-level meeting between Tigray and Addis Ababa. Abiy is meeting with Tigray President Verde, which issues are likely to be raised by the two parties. Secondly, today was the day announced by the Ethiopian health professionals to go on full strike. They gave a deadline 3 days ago. They said from Monday they'll close all health services in Ethiopia at public hospitals. So, what is happening on the ground? Are hospitals closed? Are they open? Is the strike complete or partial? All that in this video. Let's start with the story about the strike called by Ethiopian health professionals. You know that around a month ago, Ethiopian health professionals submitted 12 demands to the government, which include raise in wages, etc. And they gave a deadline. They gave deadline of 30 days to the government to fulfill their demands. 30-day deadline ended last week. Government did not uh, address the concerns of the health professionals. On Wednesday, health professionals went on partial strike. In several hospitals, they closed some health services, but emergency, ICU, etc., remained operational. They gave another deadline. They said that by Sunday, their concerns, their demands be addressed. Otherwise, they'll go on full strike. Today is Monday. So, what is the situation? Firstly, Ethiopian Medical Association issued a statement yesterday. The Ethiopian Medical Association, EMA, is not joining the strike announced by Ethiopian Health Professionals Association. These are two different organizations: Ethiopian Health Professionals Association, Ethiopian Medical Association. EMA is not joining the call for full strike. They made it clear yesterday. Today, it seems that the health professionals could not fully implement their call for full strike. At some hospitals, yes, all services have been suspended, but a few hospitals are seeing complete strike. It's not that all public hospitals have gone on full strike in Ethiopia. Some hospitals in Addis Ababa are closed, like Gandhi Memorial Hospital, Ikata 12 Hospital, St. Petros Hospital, Havasa Hospital closed the last 2 days. Asala Teaching and Referral Hospital closed. In Volaita Sodo, some hospitals closed too. I think either hospital is also closed. So it means that some hospitals have gone on full strike. Health professionals there, they have gone on full strike. But it's nowhere near closure of all hospitals in Ethiopia. Today is day one. This strike, complete strike call will go on. So in coming days, things will be clear. Will more hospitals join the call for strike, or will the government manage to control the situation? That remains to be seen. But overall, I think that the health professionals could not start in a manner which could be alarming for the government. I think health professionals have split, especially the announcement by Ethiopian Medical Association struck a blow to to the Health Professional Association's call for full strike. We'll update you in coming videos today, tomorrow, in coming days about this call for full strike. Gradually, you'll see pressure upon health professionals too. They cannot go on full strike indefinitely because people will start dying. And people now they support health professionals, but if their loved ones start dying, obviously they'll turn against health professionals. Let's see how the situation ends. Secondly, viewers, where is Janal Ovarade, new president of Tigray? Where they arrived in Jimma on Sunday and he is holding high-level discussions reportedly. Jimma is the hometown of the Ethiopian Prime Minister, and sources say that Tigray President Varade is due to hold some high-stakes meetings with the Ethiopian Prime Minister and federal government officials. What could be discussed at these meetings? Well, Varade wants the start of return of IDPs. He has been saying in his private conversations that before the start of winter, tens of thousands of IDPs living in Shiraro must return to Meravolkai Sagade. And he is going to raise this issue. And Varade said, I think, in a talk that second round of DDR won't start. It will only start after the return of IDPs to their homes. First round of DDR ongoing, 75,000 going to be disarmed, demobilized. It will end in September, I think. Before September, Tigray President Varade and TPLF, they want the process of the start of return of IDPs. Will it start? Let's see, tensions rising in Volkait. Secondly, Varade wants the start of Tigray-Amhara dialogue. He wants political dialogue to solve the dispute about the status of Amhara Volkai Sagade and the dialogue with the federal government to resolve the issue of the status of TPLF. Restoration of status of TPLF is linked to all the other developments because if TPLF status is not restored, Tigray federal government relations will always remain tense. So Tigray wants start of a political dialogue with Amhara side with the federal government. Thirdly, Tigray peace forces organizing themselves in a far region. Federal government is backing them. Federal military, federal forces backing them, Ethiopian National Defense Force, and Varade is expected to raise this issue with the federal government. Federal government, on the other hand, is going to press the issue of DDR. DDR is number one priority for federal government. It wants dismantlement of Tigray forces as soon as possible. Though Tigray government is linking DDR to the return of IDPs and to the restoration of Western Tigray under Tigray control. Secondly, TPLF Eritrea contacts definitely going to come under discussion. Everyone knows that ongoing engagement between Eritrea and TPLF is a matter of concern for the federal government. Lastly, where they formed government is definitely non-inclusive, but where they signed 8-point document with the federal government, he said that he will run the affairs of Tigray inclusively, in an inclusive and participatory manner. But he has formed a government which has been rejected by all the political players in Tigray except TPLF. All opposition parties are boycotting or they're not part of Varade's cabinet. Civil society also protesting. Varade's government is definitely non-inclusive. All these issues are going to be discussed reportedly. Meeting was much needed meeting because tensions were rising between federal government and Tigray. So there needs to be engagement. I think there should be talks between TPLF and federal government too, between Tigray and Amhara too. Only then we can see some sort of stability. Otherwise, you'll see more instability, more tensions in Tigray and between Tigray and federal government. Thanks for watching.